The beginning of what could be a multi-million-dollar lawsuit in the case of the crash of American Airlines Flight 331 has begun. Attorneys from Hilton Brown of Jamaica and Ribbeck Law Chartered of Chicago, USA have teamed up to represent victims of the crash. The number of persons being represented thus far is 12. However, the lawyers are expecting that the numbers will increase. A case in Chicago has been filed on behalf of Monique Harris, a resident of Windsor, Canada, and 11 other injured passengers. Manufacturer of the airline, Boeing, is the first potential defendant named in a petition for discovery filed by the American lawyers. They're seeking, among other things, details on the aircraft design, information about the brakes and landing gear of the plane, and the training of crew. An independent crash investigation conducted by a Canadian aviation expert is also set to get underway.
The last minute of the flight is of particular interest. You can see from, for example, you can see from the acceleration meter the very moment the aircraft touched down, and you can also see how hard it touched down. And then you can also see at what point and what speed it left the runway. And from that you can calculate, for example, you can calculate the speed and how the aircraft slowed down.
The legal representatives have also expressed concern about the number of mishaps by American Airlines in December last year and have called on the airline to swiftly correct its landing procedures.
We have seen several incidents with American Airlines recently, especially last December there were 3. So we are concerned that the landing procedures may have to be examined, and the Federal Aviation Administration does agree with us. They are overseeing the landing procedures of American Airlines.
Locally, a letter has been written to American Airlines about the non-receipt of luggage. Anthony Hilton described as unacceptable the possible 60 days indicated by American Airlines for the return of luggage.
We are told that American Airlines has a procedure where they send the luggage away to be cleaned or decontaminated. Now, it seems to me that this is a bit officious. They should have, and it seems to me they could have given passengers the opportunity to A, determine whether they want the luggage to be clean or they want them as is, as long as they are prepared to sign that they were given the opportunity. Or they could have, at a minimum, given access to their luggage to take out sensitive items.
The legal proceedings does not end with Boeing. Mr. Ribbeck noted that all responsible parties will be brought to justice without exceptions.